What's up?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good. Looking nice.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
Ladies first,
You
pictures
can
be
finish
fine.
it first. Sorry? Okay.
हाँ जी.
Without the phone.
Yeah.
हम लोग सब
सुलिका जी, आप यहाँ आ जाओ ना.
फाइनली पोस्ट रेडी है क्या? पार्टी के बाद रेडी. वेरी गुड. गाइस रेडी. रोहित तो शाली क्या कहना चाहोगे? कैसे इनका बर्थडे है? क्या विशेष है?
Rohit is a very dear friend of mine and extremely close to me. I want to wish him all the very best for his life. It's his birthday और भगवान करे कि ऐसे बहुत सारे बर्थडे आए और वो बहुत तरक्की करे लाइफ में.
Any surprise gift you would like to give?
नहीं, मेरे पास कोई गिफ्ट नहीं है रोहित के लिए. मैं खुद गिफ्ट हूँ. सो आई एम कमिंग.
ओके, शाली आपसे एक और चीज जानना चाहेंगे बिग बॉस के बारे में. क्या कहना चाहोगे? क्या कहना चाहोगे? कितना फॉलो कर रहे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल फॉलो नहीं कर रहा बिग बॉस.
This is out.
हाँ जी,
So, क्या कहना है?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ जिनको उनकी मम्मी वापस मिल गई हैं, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. और आई वुड हैव बीन वेरी हैप्पी अगर वो और रहती, लेकिन वो आ गई और जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. एंड आई विश हर ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
जैसा आपने कहा जेदिन को अपनी मम्मी वापस मिल गई. जेदिन की कुछ तबीयत भी खराब हो गई थी दर्जी अंदर जाने की वजह से.
अच्छा,
So, आपको इस बारे में क्या कहना है? क्या वो सही डिसीजन था कि बाहर आना है या उसे और टाइम अंदर?
यार मुझे लगता है कि जब आप किसी कोई भी कॉन्टेस्ट में जाते हो तो उसको जीतने की मंशा से ही जाते हो. सो अगर मैं भी कोई रियलिटी शो करूँगा तो उसको जीतने की मंशा से करूँगा. सो द थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टेइंग देयर फॉर लॉन्ग इज़ वेरी गुड. दैट इज़ हाउ यू अचीव, दैट इज़ हाउ यू विन. सो विच इज़ अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. हैविंग सेड दैट, family is important, and son is the most important thing. So nothing can compensate that. So I'm very happy that Jaden's got the mother back, and he's extremely happy and very excited to have the mother back.
वाइल्ड एंट्री के बारे में कुछ पता है?
Yeah,
कहना चाहोगे हिंदुस्तान भाव है और कैसी गुनाह
मैं ऑनेस्टली मैं बिग बॉस बिल्कुल नहीं देखता. बिग बॉस एक बहुत अच्छा शो है, बहुत बड़ा शो है. कलर्स एक बहुत बड़ा चैनल है. मुझे कलर्स बहुत पसंद है एंड दे आर अमेजिंग पीपल टू वर्क विद. हैविंग सेड दैट, आई विल नेवर गो टू बिग बॉस एंड दैट इज़ नॉट अ शो दैट आई वुड लाइक टू सी. आई डोंट सी इट. मैं कभी नहीं देखा. मैंने पिछले 13 साल में कभी नहीं देखा. सो मुझे नहीं पता कौन आ रहा है कौन जा रहा है. और जो भी जा रहे हैं ऑल दी वेरी बेस्ट. भगवान करें मे द बेस्ट पर्सन विन. एंड दे आर कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन जो हैं बिग बॉस में. सो आई होप दे डू वेल एंड दे विन. थैंक यू.
Hi guys, how are y'all?
गुड. सो क्या कहना चाहोगे? रोहित का बर्थडे है, क्या विशेष और ब्लेसिंग्स देना चाहोगे?
Rohit is a darling. Rohit is one of the most genuine person I've met in my life. He's extremely warm. जो अंदर है वो बाहर है, क्योंकि हमारी इस इंडस्ट्री में दिखावा ज़्यादा होता है, जेन्यूनिटी जो है बहुत कम होती है. So Rohit is a lovely human being, and on his birthday I would like to wish him all the very best for whatever he wants to do in his life, and may all his dreams come true.
जिया आपसे जाना चाहिए बिग बॉस.
Honestly, for the first time in my life, I am not following Big Boss. अब तक के मैंने सारे seasons देखे, but this one I haven't.
कंटेस्टेंट्स को कुछ तो पता होगा, आपके फ्रेंड्स को
Uh,
क्या है?
Actually, honestly, all of them are acquaintances. None of them are friends. But yeah, I would like to wish all the best to everybody participating, and may the best win.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll just do one solo picture now. Thank you. Where?
अहमदाबाद
No, that is the very old
That
picture.
was एक साल पहले का है. So let's have the picture. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, is this any solo picture?
No.
Thank you.
पूछिए.
Rolling?
अनुज इतना वंडरफुल रिस्पांस मिला है अभी आपको इंडियन आइडल में, यू आर रॉकिंग ऑल ओवर, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
I'm very very happy. The public response has been very huge. बहुत पसंद आ रहा है इस शो सबको. The contestants are fantastic and I'm very very excited. और आप तो जानते हो सभी contestants ने ऐसा हल्ला मचाया हुआ है कि उनकी कहानियाँ सुन सुन कर देख कर जनता उनको गले से लगा रही है.
आपका भी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है, टीआरपीज आर डूइंग सो वेल
I'm
ऑन द शो,
बहुत
ऑडियंस इज लविंग यू.
it's a great feeling कि वो विशाल डडलानी, नेहा और मेरी टीम को बहुत पसंद किया जा रहा है. So people are loving all three of us and I'm very happy to be doing Indian Idol season 11 again.
What do you have to say about Rohit fashion, the night he's hosting at Pepper and Pine tonight?
I think it's fantastic and especially I've come especially for Rohit to wish him a very happy birthday. He's a fabulous person, a great designer and Pepper and Pint is a beautiful place. So all in all it's going to be a lovely evening and I'm very happy to be here.
Thank you.
Okay, so one more thing we would like to know. अबू मलिक के बिग बॉस के पार्ट थे और अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही इज आउट ऑफ द हाउस. तो आपको क्या लगता है उनका गेम किस तरह
Abu was very good. My brother was very good and he was a little laid back or they want hangama or Abu, I've known him, he's my brother, so he's a very well behaved person in his own way. So but I love the way he played and I'm proud of him.
Thank you so much.
Sir, madam. Yes, we will be doing so. Sir, एक और. Thank you.
I just saw the skipping thing. There's a fashion preview night of Rohit's collection and also his birthday. So what do you have to say? What wishes would you like to give to him?
Happy birthday. That's what you say on a birthday. That's what I'm going to say. No, but he's a really warm, friendly person. And he wanted us to wear bling, so there's a touch of bling in what I'm wearing. But most importantly, I think these are occasions that you should not miss. You should meet. We get busy. We don't get to meet for months, but you shouldn't miss these occasions. So I'm here because of that, and to wish him all the best.
Thank you. Okay,
Thanks.
one more thing we would like to know. Big Boss कितना follow करते हैं?
जब मैं अपने सीज़न से बाहर निकला था 13 हफ्ते के बाद, तो मैंने अपने एपिसोड्स नहीं देखे थे, तो किसी और के एपिसोड्स क्यों देखे?
Sir, my camera, ma'am. Thank you.
Some wishes. Wishes. So it's Rohit's fashion preview night at Pepper and Pine and his birthday. So what would you like to wish him?
Wish him all the best and lot of success.
Happy birthday to him and may he grow as always. He's doing so well.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, we do small bites.
विश कर देते ना.
Rolling.
Ready? Yes. Sir, आप रोहित शर्मा जी के बर्थडे पार्टी पे आए हैं, आज क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
सबसे पहले तो मैं रोहित को बहुत ढेर सारी बधाई देता हूँ जन्मदिन के मुबारक दिन पर और दिल से दुआएं देता हूँ. मालिक उसको बहुत कामयाब इंसान बनाए और ज़िंदगी में खुश रहे बस. दैट्स ऑल.
Thank you. Yes, yes. रोज यही काम करो, शर्म आना चाहिए, शर्म आना चाहिए.
What would you like to say? It's Rohit's birthday tomorrow and he's bringing in the fashion preview at
Yes.
Pepper and Pine.
Yes, I would give him my heartiest, congratulations first on this new endeavor of his, and then of course a very very happy birthday, and I hope he keeps going onwards and upwards from here. And it's great to be here. He's a great guy. He's a great person. Sorry, he's a great person to be around, and I'm looking forward to meeting him and wishing him personally.
Say Rohit's birthday tomorrow, he's bringing in tonight with the fashion review and Pepper and Pine. What do you have to say?
Rohit is one of my dearest friends, more than a friend. Rohit is family to us. And what better than celebrating Rohit's birthday at Pepper and Pint. And thank you for having all of us here. We're looking forward to a great evening. And lots of love, Rohit. We love you.
Hey Rohit, what do I say? We are here today. We've been friends from many years, and it feels great to celebrate your birthday here today. We know you are such a fun, and I'm really exhausted since whole day. So now looking forward for a lot of fun. Happy birthday, Rohit, at wonderful Pepper and Pine. Thank you. Bye bye.
So why don't you join us? Thank you.
Sir, ma'am, I'm so today you are here at Rohit Verma's birthday bash. He's bringing in his birthday tomorrow. So, क्या wishes देना चाहेंगे?
We wish him good luck and a very happy year ahead and loads of success and fame and happiness.
And many happy birthdays to come in future.
Many more to come.
Long live Rohit Verma.
Thank you so much.
God bless.
So it's Rohit Verma's birthday. So what do you want to wish him? We can celebrate his birthday. So what do you want to give a message to him?
तुम जियो हज़ारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,224. रोहित वर्मा, lots of love, lots of good wishes, live long, live happy, and cheers, brother.
Okay, listen to me. Okay, hear me out. Okay? Listen. Yes. Before I cut the cake, I need to make a small speech. Each and everybody present over here. Sonali, love you. Thank you for coming. Okay. Mahesh, thank you for being there. Ramesh ji, chale gaye? Yeah. Ramesh ji, Kiran ji, everybody. You know, Abhishek, especially you. You're coming to my party for the first time. नहीं मैं रोना नहीं Thank you for being there. Thank you for coming for me, loving me so much. We love you. And accepting me the way I am. Nishad, thank you for coming. Kaviraj, smile, come here. My big boss time. जब इनका हाथ टूटा था मैंने को बड़ा हल्दी वाले दूध पिलाए थे. Rinka, my best friend, for always being there for me. Thank you, darling. You have been my strength in my ups and my downs. And you have been a true friend. Thank you for being there always. Millie in USA, Reena, Swati Didi, of course, Aryan for a change. Whatever. Yeah. Abhishek, thank you for being there. You're wearing my favorite color, red. And everybody, Monisha, Dipshi, please come here, darling. मैं वो किसी को मिस नहीं करना है थोड़ा मैं अभी हाई हो चुका हूँ रेहान of course my Rehan, my darling, my brother, my shadow. Every time people think that we are twins, you know. I'm a beauty and he's a beast. Beauty and beast. Kishori ji, Bobby, thank you for being there. Shania, but Shania has given me an LV bag. She's my best friend for this 2020. She gets a cake, she will wear for 2020. I'm listening to Nisha. No, you have to say few words. Then beauty पर बात करो. मैं 39 की हूँ अभी.
39? Oh my God. But इनकी ब्यूटी के बारे में क्या कहें? Of course, Rohit is very dear to us. We've known him for decades. He's family because he ties Rakhi to my son, and he calls himself my daughter, and I love him as a daughter also. So God bless him, and may you keep growing and keep reaching new heights always. Our love for you. Leena ji, please. Thank you for providing me such a beautiful venue. Thank you. Lovely people, lovely hosts, and I think each and every guest of ours have enjoyed this place. हाँ सपना जी, you're already standing next to me. One is watching you. Just on the live cameras. Yes. And one is Soma मेरे से. Vishal, I love you. हाँ. So Mayor, अच्छा 4 minutes go more. I have to say more. देखो सुशांत नहीं आया ना, सुशी I'll block him tomorrow. Oh God, come on! How can I forget your name? Ankit, Jigar. Love you guys. Nishant, I love you. See a true friend. Karan Nitish, where are you? Karan and Nitish. 3 minutes more. 3 minutes. 3 minutes more. I don't know where Amit Khanna is. I don't know. Randeep Rai being my brother. So I have saved his name as Randeep Rai. Very brotherly feeling. Suri ji, yes. Well, Suri ji, I need a sponsor. You are a very important part for 2020. I don't watch television. Okay, hear me out. I don't watch television. I only watch what I watch.
My God, एक ही पूरे दिन चलता है कि मैं सावधान इंडिया.
I'm the biggest star of Saavdhan India here. Zach, I never watch a scene. 1 minute. Monisha, maybe 2020 मेरा कैसा रहेगा? Please predict. Molly Didi never goes for anybody's party. Thank you, Duga. Where are you? And of course, Delnaz, I don't know where she is. Delnaz, Molly Behel, I don't know. Where is she? And my strength, whom I can call at 3 o'clock of the night, is Sargam Didi. I think you have been a very, very important part and always giving me strength and always loving me and guiding me right. All right. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you.
अनिल जी, आज आपकी एसोसिएशन बहुत पुरानी रही है रोहित के साथ और आज एक फैशन नाइट रिव्यू है, उसका बर्थडे भी है कल, एक सेलिब्रेशन फेस्टिविटी चल रही है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
आपने कहा रोहित से पुरानी दोस्ती रही है. See, Rohit is all about fashion. I would say the word fashion starts with him. He's a complete encyclopedia as far as the fashion industry goes. There's a lot to learn from him. When I was right here complimenting him, outburst was his reaction on the transgender show what we just conceptualized at the Bombay Times Fashion Week. In fact, he was upset with me कि भाई भैया आपने मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं किया. I just told him, boss, I never knew you were involved into it. We have been working with the thought of transgenders since last almost about 4 years down the line. But yes, I just promised him, he is doing it on the 8th of Feb. We will be with him, stand with him, and will ensure that we will take this thought at a level next.
social work, you've been promoting fashion in a very good way, which is helping people. तो उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
See, ये मैं अक्सर कहता आया हूँ, हिंदुस्तान में आवाम को समझाने के लिए दो ही तरीके हैं. वन बॉलीवुड, दूसरा एक ऊपर का खौफ. When I say Bollywood, तो it's all about fashion. It's all the inclusivity of fashion is in Bollywood. So that's all about it. Thank you so much.
Yes, arrange the Rohit sir.
Rohit, congratulations. Lovely fashion preview night that you're hosting in collaboration with Pepper and Pine.
Yes.
What do you have to say? You look lovely.
Thank you very much.
So, क्या कहना चाहिए? How did this happen? The whole concept of putting a fashion evening together.
So every year I do a fashion show, and this year, you know, I've been traveling. I was just living my life in a suitcase. I'm in and out of India. Well, I did the USA fashion tour, which was very, very successful. And then when during that journey, I also got another fashion tour, which was season 2. And total like 6 months, like, you know, I was not in India this time. So I thought that, and I also received one award internationally, being an international designer. So this is the best way to celebrate, because as you all know that I always do one annual fashion show. So I think this time I'm not doing a show, so why not to throw a fashion party? So the whole idea, the concept came, and we are celebrating the art, we're celebrating culture today, we are celebrating womanhood, we are celebrating everybody's sexuality, and we are celebrating every individual has got a fashion element inside that person. I think we are celebrating the fashion diva.
Talking about the fashion this fall winter, what do you have to say? What do you predict?
Well, I think so. A lot of capes will be very much in, and people are going very gaga over it. People will be very experimenting, different silver, different cuts, different color palette completely. Like you said, this year the pastel shades have really ruled the market. But I think in coming years, more solid colors will be very much in. A lot of things. See, I come from a country which is India. India has got different kind of languages, different kind of culture. Each and every culture has got different kind of a fashion, and every culture has got different kind of embroideries and elements. So I think so we have yet to give a lot to the world when it comes to fashion, and I think so what is old very vintage, which will be gold. That's the reason I have got a very vintage hairstyle today. So I think so every designer will be promoting a lot of vintage art.
So talking about your outfit, is that Rohit Verma that you're wearing?
Well, yes, this is me what I'm wearing, and I think so. That's the like a lot of people say when you live, everybody, if you live right, once is enough, So I always never cared for the world, because I'm a fashion designer. My personality is my jewel, my uniqueness, what everybody loves here. And that's the reason whenever I post my picture on Instagram, they always say I'm one of the best dressed up person. So a donkey cannot praise his own children to national television. But yes, this is what I love, and this is my personality.
Talking about Leena Jain and your collaboration with Pepper and Pine, what do you have to say?
Well, Leena Jain is a lovely person, and along with her husband, Mr. Jain, and I think so when I approached them for this evening, they were very kind enough to give me a place in discounted rates, and I'm very happy, and they have really gone out of the way for me. The food is very nice over here, the ambience is very good. I'm sure Pepper and Pine is going to do very well. And not even me, all my friends have supported and given a video bite for them. And that's the best part, that when we can help each other out. And today we are having a fashion night at his place, and I really wish them all the best. And I think so our collaboration is just not like a one-time party, it will be lifelong. Thank you very much. पूरा फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, मेरी फेवरेट इस टाइम सना खान है, मैं उनको बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. रश्मि देसाई मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड हैं, अभी वो गई हैं, मेरी शिफाली जरीवाला गई हैं अंदर, वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त हैं. तो आई थिंक सो मे द बेस्ट पर्सन विन. पर मेरे को सना बहुत क्यूट लगती है, बिकॉज आई थिंक सो जस्ट डे वन से मैं अमेरिका में था तो मैंने फॉलो करना स्टार्ट किया, तो डे वन से उनका जो कैरेक्टर है वो सेम है, कोई मेरे को फेक नहीं लगा. सो आई रियली सपोर्ट हर, बट आई रियली वांट माय फ्रेंड रश्मि टू विन द शो. बट सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला इज ऑल्सो प्लेइंग वेरी वेल इन द हाउस, तो आई थिंक मे बेस्ट द पर्सन विन.
ये सब लोगों का रिस्पांस कुछ खास नहीं आया बिग बॉस पर, टीआरपी भी कम आई है.
रियली? अच्छा, इसके बारे में मेरे को ज़्यादा पता नहीं था, बिकॉज आई थिंक बिग बॉस के तो लोग पूरे दीवाने हैं. पर देखिए, जब मैं बिग बॉस में था तो शोले एक ही बार बनती है. सो सीज़न 3 हमेशा बेस्ट रहा है. आज तक हम लोग बिग बॉस का ही खा रहे हैं. सो लाइक जब कमाल खान थे, पूनम ढल्लन थी, तो लाइक तो वो ज़माना कुछ और था. सो आई थिंक सो मे बी अभी इनके एक नए अभी मैंने सुना नए कंटेस्टेंट्स को डाला है उन लोग ने अंदर, तो मे बी टीआरपी हो जाएगी अच्छी.
ओके रोहित, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, हिंदुस्तानी भाव एंट्री लिए है, आपके हिसाब से वो एलिजिबल है बिग बॉस की करते हुए?
देख, बिग बॉस का अगर ऐसा है कि सबको डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इनफैक्ट हिंदुस्तानी भाव को मैं पर्सनली नहीं जानता हूँ, पर एक कैरेक्टर है. लाइक देखिए, अगर आप बहुत सारे लोग हवा में पप्पी डालने वाले अगर डाल देते हैं घर में, और एक ऐसा तड़का मसाला डाल देते हैं, तो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली ही इज़ गोइंग टू ऐड लिटिल वैल्यू टू द शो. जैसे कि मेरे को अभी एक जर्नलिस्ट ने पूछा कि अभी बिग बॉस की टीआरपी कम है, तो चैनल हमेशा भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के ऐसे डालता रहता है. तो आई थिंक सो ही विल क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ नॉइज इन द हाउस.
तो आपके हिसाब से फेक एंड रियल प्लेयर कौन है अपने बिग बॉस में?
देखिए, आई टेल यू वन थिंग वेरी फ्रैंकली, मैं इस घर में 10 हफ्ते रहा था. आप इस घर में आप लोगों को विश्वास नहीं है कि जब आप घर के अंदर घुसते हैं तो आपकी पूरी एक एलिमेंट है, एक पूरी पर्सनालिटी है, वो चेंज होती है. आप बहुत ज़्यादा कैमरे के आगे फेक नहीं बन सकते हैं, बिकॉज वहाँ पे इतने सारे कैमराज आपको देख रहे हैं. आप 24 घंटे बहुत से लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि बिग बॉस स्क्रिप्टेड है. बिग बॉस स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है. आप घर के अंदर जाते हैं, आपका बाहर की दुनिया से आपका नाता ख़त्म हो जाता है. आई डोंट नो, लोगों को इतना डर लगता है कि उनकी प्रोजेक्शन हिंदुस्तान के सामने कैसी दिखाई जा रही है, किस तरह का जा रहे हैं. पर ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है, तो आप बहुत देखिए, पहला हफ्ता आपका बहुत इन्जॉयमेंट होता है, सेकेंड हफ्ते में आप थोड़ा सा ठीक होता है, थर्ड हफ्ते में आप टूटने लगते हैं, क्योंकि 5 मिनट जो होता है वो 24 घंटे के बराबर होता है. सो आई थिंक सो जो मेरी जर्नी रही है, तीसरे हफ्ते तो कोई इतना फेक कोई कर नहीं सकता कैमरे के आगे, क्योंकि कितना भी इंसान फेक करेगा उसकी रियलिटी सामने आ ही जाती है. बिग बॉस का घर ही ऐसा है.
लेकिन कहा जाता है कि फेक जो प्लेयर होता है वही जीतता है लास्ट में. आपका क्या कहना है?
मैं इस चीज़ को नहीं मानता हूँ, क्योंकि विंदु भैया हमारे टाइम पे जीते थे. मेरे को वो बहुत फेक लगते थे अंदर, पर जब मैं विंदु भैया को मैंने बाहर निकल के जाना, वो जैसे बिग बॉस में है वो आज भी वैसे ही हैं, बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. सो आई थिंक सो मैं इस चीज़ को नहीं मानता हूँ, बिकॉज अब क्या हो रहा है आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज अब लोगों ने ये सीज़न 13 चल रहा है, लोग जो बिग बॉस के अंदर घुस रहे हैं वो पूरी स्टडी करके घुस रहे हैं, उन्होंने पूरे एपिसोड देखने रहते हैं और वो देखते हैं कि कहते हैं किस तरह के गेम को खेलना है। तो अभी थोड़ा सा टफ भी हो गया है गेम, बिकॉज हमारे टाइम में इतना टफ नहीं था, हमारे टाइम में जो टास्क आते थे वो ईजी होते थे, अब बहुत ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स होते हैं बिग बॉस में। तो आई डोंट नो कि ये फेक है कि नहीं है, ये तो इसका जवाब तो जो जीतेगा वही बता सकता है।
लास्टली हम जानना चाहेंगे अभी जो वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री है उसमें से सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट प्लेयर कौन है वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री?
मेरे को झबरे बाल वाला लड़का अच्छा लग रहा था, व्हाट वाज हिज नेम, जो रश्मि का फ्रेंड है, आई डोंट नो हिज नेम। नहीं, पारस तो मेरा दोस्त है। अरहान खान थोड़ा मेरे को स्ट्रॉन्ग लगा है, क्योंकि उसकी जो घुसते ही मान उसने दिखाया है, पर वो टिकने वाले नहीं हैं ज़्यादा दिन तक, ऐसे लग रहा है मेरे को। पर मेरे को वो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट लगे जब वो घुसे, क्योंकि उनकी जो पर्सनैलिटी थी, जो उसका वो कॉन्फिडेंस था सलमान से बात करने का, इट वॉज रिफ्लेक्टिंग अ लॉट। ही वॉज वेरी पॉलिटिकली बहुत करेक्टेड थे वो, जब उन्होंने अपना इंटरव्यू दिया तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। मेरे को भाऊ जी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग लगे जब वो घुसे, स्ट्रॉन्ग लगे। अभी जाके तो पता चलेगा कौन भीगी बिल्ली है, कौन स्ट्रॉन्ग है। हाँ, मैं सिद्धार्थ को डेफिनेटली टॉप 3 में देखूंगा। रश्मि मेरी दोस्त है, तो मैं अगर उसका नाम नहीं लेता हूँ तो मैं 4 का नाम ले लेता हूँ ना, तो रश्मि मेरी बहुत ही दोस्त है, मैं चाहूँगा मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो आए टॉप 4 पे। पारस इज़ प्लेइंग वेरी वेल, पारस ने बहुत अच्छा खेला, एंड डेफिनेटली मैं शहनाज को देखना चाहूँगा, वो मेरे को बहुत क्यूट लगती है बहुत। अब वो लोग कहते हैं फेक कर रही हैं, आई डोंट नो, शी इज़ रियल ना, बस मेरे को बहुत क्यूट लगती है। वो डे 1 से वो एकदम स्टैंडर्ड है, उन्होंने कोई भी चीज़ को ऐसा नहीं दिया है कि लाइक जहाँ मेरे को लगा कि वो फेक है। एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस? थैंक यू वेरी मच।
A very, very, very happy birthday. Sorry, where am I looking? I don't know. There. Okay, here. Okay. So I wish very, very happy birthday to my brother, Rohit Verma. I love you so much, and I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart. He's such a lovely, lovely guy.
निकाल दिया।
देखा ना, फारू ने सबको बोल के रखा सोहेल आएंगे, तो मैंने भी आते से बोला सोहेल हाय। He asked about Rohit. So yes, he is very kind. I'm very happy and we are happy. And we are saying about Pepper and we are happy to pick up our chosen and menu as for and we curated a special menu. See there. So, congratulations, Ina and Kamlesh. There's a wonderful fashion review night, and Pepper and Pint is evolving and experimenting new things. So, tell us about tonight.
Tonight's basically a very important night where 3 aspects of Mumbai are coming into play. We have got fashion, we've got food, we've got luxury, everything coming into play at the right time. Like Rohit Verma is, apart from his birthday which is there, it is a very nice fashion fiesta which is happening out over here, and we have curated a very nice menu in terms of the cocktails, in terms of the food. The names of the food items are also correlated, something related to the bling thing which is happening right now out over here. Individually, Rohit is an amazing person, and to host him has been a very good, whatever you can say. It's not just a pleasure for us, but yeah, we feel very blessed to have people from the industry come out over here and ensure that Pepper and Pint becomes their home away from home to make all the celebrations out over here. That is what I think.
So, Pepper and Pint is in a new star today with a lot of fashion elements around. And so you know, you were putting it together. How did you all plan luxury fashion all coming together?
So it's like a little bit of Rohit's idea, a little bit of Leena's ideas. When we wanted to do this event out over here, he suggested that he wanted to do some kind of model, like dressed in the best attire, and everything has to be displayed out over here. And it's actually looking amazing. One of them is right out over here on the gate. And the other part is naming the food in the right manner, which is going to match it. The drinks are in that same manner, and everybody inside has been dazzling, is shining with their attire. That's what the theme is all about.
And it's rhyming like Pepper and Pint and glamour and dancing. So what do you have to say about that?
Pepper and Pint is something that we are very blessed with, because apart from events like this that we are hosting as of now, we've always done launches. People have preferred our place for doing a launch of their film, or a success party of the film, or an upcoming any event.
Different kind of events.
Yeah, so we are very blessed that people choose our venue to go ahead and host such events out of here. And the crowd is amazing. I mean, the response that we get from them, somehow or the other, they are so down to earth people when they come towards the hospitality industry. They're not very demanding. In fact, they adjust with everything that ever they have, and they enjoy every moment out of it.
So we see all roads leading to Pepper and Pint today. We saw so many videos. What do you have to say about that?
Like, we are blessed. It's all something that the karmic law works in the right fashion. You do good to others and things come back to you in the right way. That's what I feel about it.
And the Pepper and Pint say the unique blend. You blend with everyone. Now today's blending of food and fashion. You can say sometimes it's with the films. How do you see all these things?
So we try and ensure that a lot of demands, whatever come, or requirements, I'm sorry to use the word demand, the requirements of all our guests are fulfilled in the right manner. Maybe if not 100%, we try to ensure that, because we are into hospitality, we can never say no. We always have to say, certainly sir. No, we can go ahead and do that, or we'll accommodate it that way. So if there's a video taken inside, we'll see how we have accommodated a regular restaurant which is known for its good food, a number of pepper-oriented dishes. Today, it's turned into a different ball game. It's all shining, a lot of mannequins, live mannequins, a lot of models wearing nice attire from Rohit Varma's collection. Everything has been showcased inside. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
We just want picture together. Yes.
बंधे हुए हैं इकट्ठे आइए वी आर टाइड
Sorry.
Are you ready?
Yes, rolling.
So आज रोहित का फैशन रिव्यू नाइट है पेपर एंड पाइंट का उनका बर्थडे भी है कल, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हैप्पी बर्थडे पहले
एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई वांट टू सी कि क्या फर्स्ट क्लास कपड़े बनाए रोहित ने. आई जस्ट लव हिज क्लोथ्स.
Can I look at all the beautiful women who are wearing such
As
lovely
long as you're
clothes?
looking.
Any other wishes that you would like to give?
No, Rohit is a dear friend and we wish him all the best. And as always, I'm sure the clothes are going to be fantabulous.
And you better keep inviting us every year.
So he's right here.
Ah, there he is.
Oh my God, the royal queen.
Oh God.
Center of attention.
बर्थडे विशेस मिल रही हैं आज आपको फैशन वीक के लिए पेपर पैन में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
So they are my family, okay. Ramesh sir couldn't come for my last show, so they had to attend some other. But this time Kiran Nasik told me that I'm definitely going to get Ramesh sir, and she's always been there. I share a very emotional relationship with her. She's always been there, always guided me right, and there are few relationships we really can't name, and she's always part of my journey. Thank you for
he's
being
a
there.
sweetheart. Rohit is a sweetheart.
Thank you, thank you. Rohit, we just want picture too.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you can just shift so ma'am also.
Come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, gown pe I don't want to step.
Rohit, yes, sir. Ma'am. Ma'am, this is what
Yes, of course. Lovely food.
Please we do a picture.
Rohit, please come. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Come on.
Picture with my camera. Ma'am. One more. Thank you. Yes.
शिखा क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज रोहित की बर्थडे पे है आप एक फैशन रिव्यू नाइट में पेपर पैन की व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से
First of all, happy birthday to Rohit. He's a very dear friend of mine, like a family. And congratulations to Pepper and Pine also. I like this place always whenever I come. And it's a good combination, Rohit Verma and Pepper and Pine. So everybody kill it, rock it. Thank you.
Shall we just do one more? Thank you. So now go with my camera. Go here. Thank you. So we just do a solo picture also. Go here. Thank you. Give it just in the center. One step. Perfect. With my camera here. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
So today you're here at Rohit Verma's birthday bash here at Pepper and Pine. What do you want to say?
Well, obviously, Rohit is a very, very close friend, and that's why we all are here. And we're just looking forward to meet him and hug him tight and wish him all the luck.
So today's theme is glitz and glamour. You both are looking glamorous. Like,
Thank you.
What do you want to
I
say
think we're
about
looking more glitzy.
Glitzy then, yeah.
So, yeah, of course, being Rohit, you have to follow the theme. Otherwise, tomorrow you'll get a message saying that, don't wear this next time. So, we want it to be all glittery and glamorous as much as we can. Thank you.
Inside my camera.
So sir, today you're here at Rohit Verma's birthday bash. Glitz
Yeah.
and glamour theme है. What wishes?
मैं बस उनको बहुत अच्छे विशेस देना चाह रहा हूँ राइट फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट बिकॉज ही इज़ अ स्वीट हार्ट उनके साथ मैं काम बहुत पहले कर चुका हूँ लेकिन अब वो हमारे दोस्त इस तरह से बन गए हैं एंड आई नो हिम इन एंड आउट एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी स्वीट गाय एंड दैट्स अ रीज़न आई एम राइट हियर टू ब्रिंग इन हिज बर्थडे एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Very good. How are you doing?
Good to see you too. Very good.
Hi.
Maza now Riddhima hai. Just in case I saw the question mark.
I can't see you.
He's like, कौन है? Maza now Riddhima Tiwari.
So today here.
Yes, yes, please.
So today here at Rohit Verma's birthday bash, what do you want to say? What is it?
I want to wish him a beautiful, beautiful year ahead. Good health, life, peace, happiness, just.
And lots of success.
Yes, he's a very, very
Lots of success to an already successful person.
Yes, he's a very, very positive and a very affectionate person. And प्यार बांटता रहता है हमेशा. So I wish him so much love, and he adores Krishna. So a lot of Krishna in your life, and may Krishna envelop you with a lot of love.
Thank you.
Yes, please. Without the phone, I know, I realized.